it's been really kind of a moment right now. We're all kind of slowly dying.
Yeah.
But things are picking up again. Work is coming. And you know how this works now. So you're just going to give us a tip. You're going to get in, get out, glam, bam, thank you, ma'am. And that's it.
I'm giving you a 2-for-1. A beauty / mental health hack. A good twofer.
This is crazy. 3, 2, 1, for sure. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Glam Bam Thank You Ma'am. Today we have an up-and-coming artist from A-Frame. I don't want to call her an up-and-coming artist because she's been doing this for a couple years now. How many years?
Okay, well, I mean, I've been here for 7 years. I've assisted for 5, but I would say 2 solid years on my own.
I'm having flashbacks. That was me. I assisted for a couple years. Listen, at the end of the day, Loren Canby is with us, and she is a celebrity makeup artist and awesome all around fun time. She works with people like Kaylee Spaney. She's worked with, but she doesn't want to profess because they're not her clients, but I'm going to brag for her. She's worked with Lily Collins. She's worked with Reese Witherspoon. And by the way, she's actually worked with me. She put lashes on me. Remember that?
Yes, at like 3 in the morning.
3 in the morning. She's going to be a big, bright star, just as all of her clients are. Thank you for joining me. Loren Canby. Also, really want my bangs back right now. We might be twinning. Everyone be like, your mom and your daughter are so cute.
I know, right? Thank you for having me.
I love your backdrop as well. Can you what is that, wallpaper?
Picnic table in the summertime. But this is removable wallpaper at Target. Go to your local Target. Because I live in an apartment. The landlord has strict rules.
Don't they all, girl?
Get out of here, yeah.
Anyway, it's been really kind of a moment right now. We're all kind of slowly dying.
Yeah.
But things are picking up again. Work is coming. And you know how this works now. So you're just going to give us a tip. You're going to get in, get out, glam, bam, thank you, ma'am. And that's it.
I'm giving you a 2-for-1. A beauty / mental health hack. A good twofer. Basically, I kind of started doing this in April, like in the thick of quarantine where it was like statewide lockdown. I had a lot of pent up negative energy. I was mentally stressed and my skin was pretty stressed out as well. I was probably drinking a little more wine than usual. So I was waking up super puffy. And so basically I decided to marry these 2 ideas of the concept of screaming into a pillow, to release energy and frustrations, and also taking an ice cube to your face and depuffing, creating circulation, invigorating the skin. I married the 2 ideas and basically thought I'm gonna get a little messy, why not? And got a bowl. All you need is a bowl, ice water, and then ice. And I thought, instead of screaming into a pillow, why don't I just do 2 things at once? Scream into the bowl of ice water. So you're releasing all the negative energy while depuffing.
I mean, this is epic.
No matter what, it's refreshing.
Yeah.
So either way is a positive outcome.
I am bugging. Okay, go for it.
Okay. So let me just put my hair up. That's the first. Put your hair up. Since I have bangs, I'm gonna clip them to the side.
Love a bang.
Look at
so cheekbones on this girl, ladies and gentlemen. Oh,
here we go. Count me down, and you scream as long as you can.
Okay, I can count you down.
Yeah.
And you scream as long as you can.
I'm gonna go as long as I can, and always have a towel too. I would recommend by your side. Okay, yeah. So I'm not joking around. Okay.
This is crazy. Okay.
It's freezing. It's really cold. I just felt it. That wasn't.
I can feel it. My nipples just got hard. Ah! Okay, ready?
Okay.
What do you want me to count down? 5 or 3?
3. Just make it short.
Okay. Here we go. Just got to do it. Go pull off the Band-Aid. 3, 2, 1, go!
That's it. That's all you gotta do.
That's amazing.
You feel good.
I love that.
You're refreshed.
Also, 3-for-1, the cold water tightens your pores.
And tightens your pores, depuffs, circulates, get circulation moving. You're a cooling sensation. You're refreshed. You're alive. I feel alive.
You look alive. I love this. I never would have thought of doing this, ever.
It'll wake you up too. I suggest it. Look, it's very cheap and you can do it as many times as you want. There's no limit, really.
It's free.
It's free. It's very free. Yes, very free.
Well, actually, it's probably around 6 cents for the ice and water.
Right, exactly. Go to the gas station. get the ice.
Well, I love you, Loren. We're going to put all of your information below so everybody can follow you and see the rising young ingenue that you are. You're also very nice and really cute and has the greatest hair. I love you. I will see you hopefully soon in the field.
Yes, please.
Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
And have a wonderful week.
You too. Stay refreshed, people.
Now, if you don't, then you didn't see this. This was the best tip ever.
This is the best tip. I'm kind of the best.
You are definitely the best, for sure. Why do you think you're on this thing?
I know, right? Okay.